Remove and replace printed items. I was wondering if it was possible to remove items you have printed in Python, not from the Python GUI, but from the command prompt. For example, so it prints. But my problem is I want this all on one line, and for it remove itself when something else comes along. So instead of printing loading dot, I want it to print loading dot, then it removes what is on the line and replaces it with loading dot and then removes loading dot and replaces it, on the same line, with loading dot. It's kind of hard to describe. P.S. I have tried to use the backspace character but it doesn't seem to work, \v.
Just use CR to go to beginning of the line.
One way is to use ANSI escape sequences. Also sometimes useful, for example if you print something shorter than before.
Note that you might have to run sys.stout.flush right after sys.stout.write \r_b depending on which console you are doing the printing to have the results printed when requested without any buffering.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.